Hello everyone, I'm Lander. Welcome to Open Source Geeks. The other day, I was browsing online like any other day. Then I found this interesting article written by a guy called 是 Lolo 没错, and the article talked about how to put Windows on a Raspberry Pi. Well, lucky me, I got a Raspberry Pi here. So let's check how to do it. He's using a 4B for this. I only got a 3B. It also works. And let's go to this website. Here we can see this is a Mirror website. And let's find a Mirror with ARM46. The one I downloaded is 19142 ARM64. Make sure you download the ARM architecture ones. Check and select language. Then create an ISO. Download and unzip the file. Run this. Then we'll need to download WOR, Windows on Raspberry. I'll put a download link in the comments. Run WOR, plug in our TF card, select the Raspberry Pi version as a device, then drag in the mirror to this. Next, because I'm using a Raspberry Pi 3B, so I can directly use the driver from the internet. We click the first one. Same with UEFI. We go to the and install it because I have already installed it. I want to reformat my card for it, and then we can just wait for it. And then plug in our Raspberry Pi connected to a HDMI screen. And also remember, this only supports 1080 screen. It won't run on other resolutions. Once you plug in, it will show a black Raspberry symbol. And at that moment, click Escape button. We will go into the BIOS. Click Boot Maintenance Manager. Select Boot Options. Then change boot order, change it into STMMC, and then go back to the main page, reset the whole thing, and it's just the standard Windows 10 installing. After we got all that set up, we can just use it. Okay, this is all for this episode of Open Source Geeks. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends. And if you want to know more about technology stuff, you can follow us up here. So see you guys next time. Bye!